loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I bought the Revair blow dryer. I can't believe I bought it. I bought this, the new one, the smaller version. I'm gonna blow dry my hair today and see how that goes. This is my first time. I did the unboxing, so you can go watch that if you haven't seen that yet. But yeah, let's jump right into this video because I don't have time. I gotta get ready for work. So fingers crossed this is as fast as it claims to be and blows dry my hair, because I also have to trim it because I need a good trim today. Let's jump right into this video. So I do have my comb, I do have my leave-in conditioner, and I do have this blowout mist that I've only used once. So I'm going to be using that in this video. So for this, there is two settings. There's the 1 and then there's the 2. And then the setting is up to 6. And let's see how they go.
Feet upon the rock. You turn my dreams into your plans. You take back what the devil steals. Never leave, you never let. You got my back, you never early. Never let, you've got my back, you've got my back. You've never early, never let. You've got my back. All the time in your kingdom, I hear you perform miracles somewhere. Sometimes when I'm down, you come, oh Lord, you lift up my head. I'm not afraid of 10,000 enemies will surround me, not afraid of the enemies will surround me on every side. All my hope is in you, I fix my eyes on you, I seek refuge in you, cause there's no one like
you. Okay guys, we are all done. Look at all the hair. Oh, I am sweating. That thing was hot. Okay, I think because I put it all the way up, I put it all the way at 7 to blow dry, and goodness, it was burning my ears. But it took me 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, but I'm gonna round it up and say 30 minutes to blow dry my hair. I did trim it, so I trimmed my hair as well. Ooh, it looks good. It looks so good. Okay. Whew. All right. So there you go. That's the back. I'm not a hairstylist, but I trimmed my hair. I did the best that I can. I would say it's not bad. For this blow dryer, I actually do like it because it cut the blow drying in half and I didn't have to keep combing my hair and all of that. I just did that 30 seconds because I was counting. I was counting the whole time. It only took 30 seconds per session. But anyway, it feels good. It feels soft. All I used was the blow dry mist that I showed you guys, and also my leave-in conditioner. That's the only thing in my hair. When you go all the way to 7, it does get hot, so just a heads up. It does get hot on your ears if you're too close to your ears. But other than that, this is a great blow dryer. What I did was save $15 every 2 weeks, and I was able to purchase it during this Black Friday. So if you want to, you can do it that way rather than taking a whole bunch of money and just paying for it, because this way I didn't really feel it, because you know, my McDonald's and Chick-fil-A just saved that one. But anyway, let me know what you think. Do you have a Revair? Will you ever try a Revair blow dryer? Will you ever purchase one? Or you're like, not in my budget? That was me. I was like, not in my budget. But then I decided I'm gonna save little by little and then get me one. And then they finally came up with the small one, which is perfect, because I'm like, the other one was too big and this is perfect size. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm amazed as to how much my hair has actually grown. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.